Welcome. Today we will learn about air. Air is something very special. Let's discover what air is and why it matters. Air is all around us. It is everywhere we go. We cannot see it, but it is always there. Air is invisible. This means we cannot see air with our eyes. But we know it is real. Air takes up space. When we blow up a balloon, air fills it and makes it big. Air is made of gases. These gases are oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. They mix together to make air. We breathe air. Every time we breathe in, air goes into our lungs. This helps us stay alive. Air helps us live. Humans need air. Animals need air. Plants need air too. Without air, nothing can live. Air moves. When air moves, we call it wind. Wind can be gentle or strong. Air can push things. Wind pushes kites up in the sky. It pushes sailboats across the water. Air is in balloons. When we blow air into a balloon, it gets bigger and floats. Air is in tires. Bicycle tires and car tires are filled with air. This makes them strong and bouncy. Air can be hot or cold. On a sunny day, air feels warm. On a winter day, air feels cold. Air helps cool us. When we feel hot, a breeze of air makes us feel better. Air helps plants grow. Plants use air to make food. They need air to stay healthy. Air carries sounds. When we talk or play music, air carries the sound to our ears. Air carries smells. When flowers bloom, air brings their sweet smell to us. Air has weight. Even though we cannot see it, air is not weightless. It presses down on everything. Air pressure pushes. Air pushes on us from all sides. We do not feel it because we are used to it. Air can be dirty. Smoke and pollution make air dirty. Dirty air is not good for us. Clean air is important. We need clean air to breathe and stay healthy. Clean air makes us feel good. We must protect air. We can plant trees and reduce pollution. This keeps our air clean. Air helps planes fly. Planes use air to lift up and fly high in the sky. Air is in our homes. Air flows through windows and doors. It fills every room. Air changes weather. Moving air brings clouds, rain, and sunshine. Air makes weather happen. Air is everywhere. It is in the mountains, in cities, and over the ocean. No place is without air. Air can be strong. During storms, air moves very fast. Strong wind can bend trees. We use air every day. We breathe it, cook with it, and use it to travel. Air is part of our life. Air helps music sound good. Musical instruments use air to create beautiful sounds. Air is a gift. Nature gives us air for free. We should be thankful for it. Learn more with Wordscience. Keep exploring and discovering new things every day. Thank you for watching. See you next time.